Hi, I'm Elvis Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to be making an Italian-style macaroni and cheese. All right, this is the pasta we're going to use. Like I said before, make sure you salt your water so it's not going to be really bland. You want to make sure your water is boiling before you do put this in. You know, I've lost all my nerve endings, so I can go ahead and do this. But make sure you use a rag. Get your pasta. Water's boiling. Got salt in it. Go ahead, dump it in. When you first dump pasta in the water, keep stirring it. It's not risotto, but it's still pasta. And once it all sits in that hot water, it's going to start bonding it all together. So every time I go to a restaurant, I don't know, man. Some places, they really make me mad when it comes to pasta because spaghetti sticks together and it's hard and it's clumpy. Take care of your pasta because, it's like one of the main things in your whole dish. You know, so keep stirring it around for a minute. And like I said, you can use different kinds of pasta. You can use ziti. Bow tie. You could use angel hair, which is also capellina, regular spaghetti, linguine, stuff like that. But like I said, I prefer to use this. Keep on stirring around for a minute. Once you feel like you've stirred it enough and it's not going to be sticking all together, pop that lid back on top of it. Don't fully stick it on. Like at least some of that steam can come out of it. And you want to check it in about 5 minutes. Like I said, it's going to take about 5 to 7 minutes for it to be totally cooked, make it like al dente. But that's what you're going to be looking for.